Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a door closer spring on this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a hook tool. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open both refrigerator doors, then use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the toe kick plate. With the screws unthreaded, pull the plate free. If still intact, use the hook tool to detach the old door closer spring from the frame bracket and hinge lever. Remove the hinge lever to make installing the new spring easier. To install the new door closer spring, first attach one end of the spring to the lever, then insert the spring and lever in the slot in the lower frame. Holding onto the spring, hook the opposite end of the spring to the frame bracket. Realign the toe kick plate on the lower frame and thread the two mounting screws. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.